Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I started disassembling my V6 Mustang so I can put all the mech parts in it. I'm not sure how much stuff I'm actually going to show, but might show like a few pieces here and there. And let me show you the car. We get to start taking her apart and disassembling so we can install this monster of an engine. It's a 04 Mach 1 engine that is auto, pretty clean, no oils. Let's get to it. Alright, so far I got the seats out. Next thing I want to do is I want to tackle the dashboard. So let's get the dashboard out and probably the hood, some fenders and the bumper, and then we will start with other parts. Alright, here's an update. The dash is out along with the steering wheel, everything same as on the previous car, so I'm not going to show you guys that. A lot of things are out. The center console, seats, obviously the dash, all the wiring. So now we just got to figure out what wiring is the same from other car and what with this one over here. So I want to make sure, do I need to change the body wiring or not? Let's get to the next part. Alright, here's the progress so far. I got the carpet out, most of the side panels, the back deck where the speakers are. So what I want to do right now, since we're here, we're just going to replace all the wiring, since my wiring did not come with the Mach audio system, so it's missing a few connectors to connect the back tower. So I'm just going to change that one as well so I could have a better sound system. Oh yeah, one more thing. My V6 Mustang didn't have ABS, but however it was pre-wired for the ABS, same thing as the Mach 1 wiring. It's pretty much similar, so basically ABS, everything is there too. Alright, pretty much a lot of progress done today. Literally like in 5 hours we did all this. If I didn't have to record how to take off the dash off and center console and a few other pieces, it would have been done much faster. So next thing I want to do is I want to install the Mach 1 wiring back here, because I don't need to do any more work here, and put the carpet back, and then everything else could be accessible from the front and without a dash. Perfect. And I'm gonna put the new glass and Mach 1 louvers and so on. Here's another difference between manual and automatic car. The manual car has a square transmission tunnel, and automatic one has more of a rounded. Good thing I saved this piece, otherwise the shifter wouldn't fit here. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna chop this right here and go all the way around here, and then we're gonna kind of weld this piece in just to bring the shifter down. All right, we're in, got the radiator out, got the main cables, the fuse block out of it, and it's pretty cleaned up so far on this side. I only have one more main wiring connector, which is gonna be this one goes to the ECM, so that's gonna be my next task, along with removing the engine out. All right, we're almost at the point where we're gonna take out the engine. The exhaust is out. It's MagnaFlow. I'm gonna be using it in my GT now. So now let's get the engine out. Let's get the V6 out. All right, the V6 is out, and you can see the big difference in size. Obviously from here to here is the engine, and this bad boy, it's like from here and it goes for days. All right, so next thing is we're just gonna take out a subframe and we're gonna reuse it in this car because I believe that one is bent. So we're gonna take the engine off that, disassemble the transmission, and put this engine on a stand and try to sell it. All right, here you can see the engine connector, which is basically the same as the V6 one. It's only missing a couple of wires because it is a 6-cylinder, and this is the V8. As you can see, the bundle here versus this guy here, it's a little bit thinner. All right, so in the next video we're gonna stop this big engine on this subframe and inside this car. So off the camera I'm gonna pre-wash the engine, clean up a few things, change out the brake lines because I'm going with ABS, and ABS has 2 lines going back into 2 different wheels. This one is only 1 because I didn't have no ABS. It was just like basic. All right, in order to place automatic shift lever in the manual car, I'm gonna have to drill out the spot welds on a tunnel because the manual and automatic are different. I already cut out this from the automatic car that I chopped up, so I'm gonna use this plate to put on top of right here, and I'm gonna rivet it in. So let me just drill out all this spot welds, and I'm gonna rivet this thing back in with some silicone. Alright, I got the manual tunnel spot drilled out. As you can see, it was in here. So next is I'm gonna put this guy right here. So it actually fits pretty good. So I'm just gonna silicone it, and the shifter should fit on it. I'm gonna spot weld it. Not spot weld it, I'm gonna rivet it. Alright, here's the tunnel done. Siliconed it pretty good, nice and solid and firm. So what I'm gonna do next is kind of grind this off and paint this whole area, and that should pretty much do for this video. Next video I'm gonna start putting everything back, including engine and dash and all the other stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.